Hi! Happy 2026 sa ating lahat. And ngayon, ito na, isi-share ko na yung 2025 beauty wrap, beauty favorites. Since medyo mahaba to, sisimulan muna natin sa base makeup. Particularly foundation, skin tint, and cushion. I have super duper oily skin. I have a lot of acne marks and textures. Nakikita nyo naman yan sa mga videos ko. And occasionally, nagkakaroon ako ng mga acnes. Itong pag-share ko ng mga makeup products, hindi siya in order. Simulan na natin with my first foundation. Kung maghahanap kayo ng primer sa video na to, wala akong favorite primer because my skincare is my primer. First on the list is this Dazzle Me Cover Me Serum Foundation. I am in the shade C03. This is SPF 35 PA+++. When it comes to my textures, sobrang forgivable niya. It doesn't emphasize yung dry part ng skin ko. I am talking about those pimple na pagaling na. Iba parang nagda-dry siya ng konti. And other textures sa face ko, like yung mga bump. This has enough coverage, medium buildable to full coverage. Hindi talaga ako super fan ng mga full coverage foundation because concealer can do that conceal part. Oil control nito sa akin is okay. Max of tolerable oiliness, siguro mga 5 to 6 hours, but it is long-lasting. When I say long-lasting, pag-remove ko ng makeup in the end of the day, like, ang dami ko pa rin nakukuha ang foundation ko. Even after 12 hours of wearing this foundation, andun pa rin talaga siya. Next foundation is this BLK Cosmetics Soft Blur Liquid Foundation. I have the shade Oat. Same as with Dazzle Me, this is also forgivable sa mga textures ng face ko. Unang gamit ko pa lang nito, sobrang na akong na-in-love sa kanya. Actually, siya rin yung gamit ko for this look. I don't think I give a proper spotlight for this product. I always use this off-cam. It's a thick gel formula. Thick siya in a sense of a good way. Kasi kapag lagay mo na siya sa face mo, para siya nag-a-adhere sa balat. But a little heads up lang, since it's a gel formula, be careful sa mga skin prep na gagamitin ninyo. Because I tried it once using a water-based skin prep and primer. Turns out, ang pangit niya tignan kasi para siyang humihiwalay. Oil control of this foundation is fine. Lesser yung longevity niya compared to Dazzle Me. I'm wearing this makeup for almost 3 to 4 hours pero nag-oil up na ako, as you can see. Pero mag-blot lang ako, konting retouch, then magmumukha na siyang bagong apply. Kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung oil control nito, it is still long-lasting. Tinanggal ko na yung makeup ko after wearing it for almost 12 hours or even full day, andyan pa rin siya. For skin tint, I only have one. I really love this Colourette First Base Everyday Skin Tint. I have 4 shades because I really wanted to have my exact shade from them. I think I found it. The shade here is Donsol. Sometimes I use Lazy, Siargao, La Union. Meron akong review for this one. Search nyo na lang sa profile ko. The first try ko pa lang dito, remember, nagustuhan ko na to agad. Yung lapat niya sa face, ibang-iba compared to other skin tint na na-try ko na even before pa. Makes my skin so good as if I'm not wearing anything, any bases or what. Actually, Colourette really understood their assignment nung kinreate nila itong first base. Parang feeling ko, ginawa talaga nila tong first base for those people na merong textured skin. If you're gonna ask me if bibili ba ako ng malaking version nila, yes, of course, such that meron pa kasi akong 4 shades ng minis from them. This is the first time na mag-share ako ng cushion sa mga favorites ko or beauty wrap. Got so lucky na isa ko sa mga nakagamit ng cushion na to. Talking about this Maybelline Superstay Baby Matte Cushion. I am in the shade 120.5. No question asked, I really love this so much. Hindi ko man siya laging na-feature sa mga binivideo kong Get Ready With Me. Pero I think paubos ko na siya. Ganun ko siya ka-love. It is super blendable. Talagang in just few tap, mabiblend na yung cushion. It really makes the base gaming so easy. Hindi ka maglalagay ng so much effort. But I am not expecting that Maybelline will release this kind of product na refillable pa. Yes, it is refillable. Ayan. There you go. The packaging is good. The color is good. Also has a big mirror, as in sakop na sakop niya talaga yung buong takip. And I also love yung kanyang puff because para siyang patir in which mas mapapadali yung pag-blend mo. I reviewed this cushion naman on a separate video. And that's all for my beauty wrap or most used products from last year for foundation, skin tint, and cushion. Don't you worry, marami pa tayong i-share na beauty wrap. Hinati-hati ko lang talaga para mas precise and kung ano yung gusto nyo panoorin, yun lang yung panonoorin nyo. See you on my next video for concealers naman.